Okay, class. So today we're going to talk about graphing circles. And so one of the things, in order to graph a circle, you need to know the center and you need to know where the what the radius is. Okay, so you need to know where the location of the center and the radius is. So if you look at these two examples, so we'll do A first. The important thing is you got to find where the radius is, and you've got to know what the where the center is located. Okay, so if you know those two things, then you can solve these easily. Okay, so again, it's all about being able to pull out the correct information. So now, remember, it has to be the form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. Okay, so you got to pay attention to signs. So in order to match this up, we have to change this to a minus a negative. So now h is -3. Okay? Now over here it's already matching. So k is 4. So we know that the center of the circle is at -3, comma 4. So -3, comma 4 is right there. And now what's the radius? Well, r squared, well, what do we need to square in order to have r? And that's going to be 6. So radius is 6. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plot points at different places so we can graph this thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go 3 units or 6 units this way because its radius is 6. So I'm going to go out 6 units this way. So that's going to put me at +3. So I'm going to put a point there. So that's on the graph. And so now I'm going to go 6 units down. So that'll put me at -2. So I'm going to be down here at 3, -2. And then I'm going to go 6 units this way, so that'll put me at 9. So far I have -9, comma 4, 3, comma 4, and I have -3, comma -2. And then I'm going to go up here, so if I go 6 units up here, that's going to put me at 10. So that's going to put me way up here. Hold on. Right about there, right? So what I did was I got 4 points, and at this point all you have to do, and I'm going to come over my stuff here, but I'm going to basically connect all 4 of these with a nice circle, well, so on. Okay, so, and then you're done. This is how we graph the circle. So this is your center, which is -3, 4. And that's it. So that's how you graph it. Now what about this one? Now here, where is this centered? Well, all h and k must be 0, so it's got to be centered at the origin. Okay. And the radius is 3, right? So in this case here, we're going to go 3 units this way, 3 units this way, 3 units this way, and 3 units this way, and then we just want to connect the dots with a nice smooth curve. And that's it. That's how you graph these using the center radius form of the equation of a circle.